The next one is the 49th question. It is, consider the following statements regarding the role of print culture in reform movements. That means that the newspapers and journals, they were used to spread reformist ideas and mobilize public opinion, and the colonial government fully supported all reformist publication without any censorship. Okay, without any censorship. So here what can we understand is newspapers and journals, they were used to spread reformist ideas and mobilize public opinion. Yes, that is the reason people became much more aware on what is the things that are going on across the India. Okay, so it led to awareness. Okay, so that is going to be there. But the colonial government, that is the Britishers, did it support all the newspapers without any censorship, even the newspapers who were talking anti-British? Obviously not. There is going to be censorship there. So that is how we can eliminate this second one. Okay, and only one is correct. So here, which of the option is correct? Only one is going to be correct here. Then there is going to be the 50th question that is going to talk upon